Hello मेरे प्यारे बच्चों and welcome back to our revision series. I know your exams are right around the corner and we need to be sharp. So today, let's do a super fast, super easy revision of this chapter. We're going to absolutely master mirrors and lenses together.
You know, have you ever picked up a brand new, shiny steel spoon and looked at your reflection? You see your face looking all stretched out and upside down. It's so funny, right? Well, today we are going to solve this little kitchen mystery. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why that happens. You see, the whole secret is that your simple spoon, it's actually two different kinds of special mirrors all in one, and that makes it the perfect place for us to start our little adventure today. Okay, so here's a super simple trick to remember the two types of spherical mirrors. The side of the spoon you eat from, it curves in, right? Like a cave. That is a concave mirror. And the back of the spoon, it bulges out. That's a convex mirror. Easy peasy, right? Concave is like a cave.
And here is what they look like in your physics lab. You can see it clearly, right? The concave mirror's shiny surface is on the inside, and for the convex mirror, the shiny surface is on the outside, exactly like our spoon.
Now, this is where the fun begins. These mirrors, they have some amazing superpowers. They can actually change how big you look, and sometimes they can even flip you completely upside down. Let's see how they do it. Look at this. See, when we bring this little dog toy really close to the concave mirror, its reflection is straight, it's upright, and it's much bigger. This is exactly why dentists use a tiny concave mirror to get a huge magnified view of your teeth. Okay, but now watch what happens. The moment we move the same toy far away from the very same concave mirror, poof, just like magic, it flips upside down. This is the trick of the concave mirror, and this is exactly why your face looks inverted when you hold the spoon far away. Mystery solved. So, for your exam, the most crucial point to remember is this. A concave mirror is very flexible. It can make images that are bigger, smaller, upright, or even inverted. But a convex mirror? That one is simple. It always gives you a smaller, upright image. Always, no exceptions. Now that you know their secrets, let's go on a little science safari. Let's try and spot these mirrors in our everyday life. I promise you, you'll be so surprised to see how many there are around you. Ever looked inside a torch or a car headlight and seen that shiny curved bowl? Well, that's a concave mirror. Its job is to grab all the light from that tiny little bulb and focus it, just shoot it out in a powerful, straight beam. So cool and so useful. And like we just talked about, your dentist uses a concave mirror to get a big, magnified, close-up view to find any tiny cavities. It's the exact same magic we saw with our dog toy when it was held up close. I'm sure you must have seen these huge, round mirrors on sharp turns on hilly roads or in big parking lots, right? That's a convex mirror. Its round, bulging shape gives drivers a much wider view of the road, so they can see if another car is coming from around a corner they can't see. It's literally a lifesaver. And this is the exact same reason why the side view mirror on your parents' car is a convex mirror. It helps the driver see so much more of the traffic behind them. And that's also why there's that warning printed on it. Objects in mirror are closer than they appear, because the mirror has to make everything look smaller to fit more stuff in. So, all these mirrors, concave, convex, plane mirrors, they all seem so different, don't they? But actually, they all follow one simple golden rule. You could say it's the one law to rule them all. And this law is just beautifully simple. It says that the angle at which a ray of light comes in, we call that the angle of incidence, or I, is always equal to the angle at which it goes out, the angle of reflection, or R. Bacho, listen to me. If you forget everything else from this chapter, just remember this one line for your exam. Angle in equals angle out. That's it. Angle I equals angle R. This one little formula can get you full marks on a question. It's that important. Brilliant. So we've totally mastered mirrors, which, remember, reflect light. Now, let's meet their see-through cousins that actually let light pass through them. Let's talk about lenses. Okay. Just like mirrors, we have two main types here. But listen, here's a little trick. Their behavior is the opposite of the mirror with the same name. A convex lens, which is fat in the middle, actually converges light. It brings light rays together, just like a concave mirror does. And a concave lens,
Thin in the middle, it diverges light, spreads it out, just like a convex mirror. Just remember this opposite connection, and you'll never be confused.
And you can see their shapes right here. The convex lens bulges outwards, and the concave lens, it curves inwards. When you go to your school lab, you can actually feel this difference. And this shape is the whole reason they can bend light in such amazing ways. Okay, bachcho, full focus now. Let's put on our thinking caps and try a classic exam-style question. This will show us exactly how to apply what we've just learned.
Okay, take a nice look at this question. The first statement, the assertion, says we prefer convex mirrors for our rear view. The reason says it's because they give a much bigger view than a normal flat mirror. So, what do you think? Does the reason explain the assertion? Think about what we just discussed with the car mirrors.
And the answer is yes, it's option I. Both statements are absolutely correct, and the reason is the perfect, spot-on explanation for the assertion. We use convex mirrors precisely because they give us that amazing, wide view of the road behind us. Simple, logical, and full marks for you.
Okay, pyare bachcho, this is your most important slide. I want you to take a screenshot right now. Go on, do it. This is your ultimate revision cheat sheet for mirrors and lenses. It has everything you need to remember for that last-minute look before your exam.
You have done a fantastic job today. Just remember, you've got this. Don't take any tension at all. Just believe in yourself and in all the hard work that you've put in. Now go in there and just ace that exam. All the very best.